Smallville featured music by Marie Digby
And right now,
and Travis.
You got my
Available now at cwtv.com. Supernatural is brought to you in part by
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eagle Pass, Texas, Crystal City, Texas, Elm Creek, Texas, Edison Road, Texas. A supercell from Mexican territory has been moving northeast to the mentioned zones. The supercell is able to produce tornadoes and big hail. Please take cover and be alert to news. This alert expires at 7:45 p.m. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the next zones: Eagle Pass, Texas, Edison Road, Texas. A tornado has been moving northeast with wind speeds of 70 miles per hour. This tornado is capable to become a strong vortex. Please take shelter right now.